In this video, you will learn how to place table and text side by side in Microsoft Word. Currently, you can see here I have inserted a table and text side by side in Microsoft Word file. In addition, you will also learn how to lock this table. For example, if I move the text downward, you can see here the position of table remain constant and table is not moved along with text because I have locked this table. In addition, you will also learn how to unlock this table if you have already locked this one. Let's learn how to place table and text side by side in Microsoft Word. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. For example, I am interested to insert table at the start of this text. I will click here. Now go to insert option and here is the option of table. I will insert a table 3 by 5. Now you can see here when I have inserted a table, text appear at the bottom of this table and text did not appear on the side of this table. Now we will learn how to address this issue. Firstly, I will select this one and delete this one. We will address this issue using text box. Go to insert option and here is the option of text box. Select this one. At the bottom you will find the option of draw text box. Select this one. Now I will draw a text box here. Here is the text box. You can use these handle to resize this text box. Click here. I will write table 1. Student attendance. Press enter. Now again go to insert option and I will insert the table here. Click here and from here I will insert a 3 by 4 table. Now you can see here we have successfully inserted table. I am interested to insert another row, so I will select these ones, right click, go to this insert option and from here I will choose insert rows below. I will write student ID. This one shows name and this one shows days present. I will select these ones, go to home tab and from here I will bold them and I will align them using this option. Now to save time I will copy data from previous table. I will select first column data. Paste it here. Similarly, I will select second column data. I will paste it here, click here and paste it here. Center align. Copy third column data. And paste it here. Now you can see here we have successfully entered the data in table. We will select this one and correct the spelling. Now click on this text box. Here you will find the option of layout option. Select this one. From here I will choose either square or tight. I will select square. Now I will place my cursor on this line and I will change the position of this table. I will place it here. Now you can see here text and table appeared side by side. Now if you are interested to insert a space between this table and text, you can also go to this option which is the shape format option. After selecting this one and here is the option of wrap text. Select this one. From here you can select more layout option. Select this one. Under text wrapping you will find the option of wrap text, and here is the option of distance from text. I will select 0.2 in each. Click on OK. Now you can see here distance is inserted between text and table. Now again select this text box. I want to remove this extra space. Use this handle to resize it. I will resize it. Now I am interested to remove this line, which is the border around this text box. Select this text box. Go to shape format option, and here is the option of shape outline. Select this one. From here I will choose no outline. Now you can see here line is removed now. Again click here. Now you can see here this text box is selected. Now I am interested to lock this one, because if I move this text, table is also moved here. So I am interested to lock this one. Click here. Place your cursor on this line. When 4 arrow sign appeared, right click. Here is the option of wrap text. From here you can choose fixed position on page. Select this one. Now I will click here and press insert. Now you can see here table is not moved along with text. You can also unlock this one anytime. For example, I will click here. I will place my cursor on this line. When 4 arrow sign appeared, I will right click. Again go to wrap text option, and instead of fixed position on page, I will select move with text, and our table is unlocked now. In addition, you can also explore other options. For example, if I go to shape format option, here is the option of position. You can select the position of this table using these options. You can bring table forward. You can send table backward using these options. Now if you are interested to change the direction of this table, you can easily do that. Select this table. Place your cursor on this arrow sign and rotate it according to your requirement. So by following this video, you can easily place text and table side by side in Microsoft Word. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.